Hello, today I'll be talking about problem 3 from test 2 and how you go about solving it. So in part A, you were supposed to plot the kinetic, potential, and total energy. So for part A, it's saying that there's two electrons that start out some distance apart and they're at rest, and you have to plot those energies. So as you can see, your R initial, they start out some far apart. Obviously, your K and U have to equal up to your total energy. So if they start out far apart, you have your U up here because it's 1 over R, which is the distance apart. So 1 over R is going to make it over here, and then your kinetic is going to get is going to be at 0 because it started out at rest, and it's going to get larger when they start moving. As you can see, E equals 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught times E squared over R. For part D, a comet approaches the sun from far away but does not collide or orbit the sun. So if it's approaching, as you can see, here's your total energy right here. Your kinetic energy is high and it's going to get smaller as it's going down. And your U is going to be very small because the R is really far apart. So as it's getting closer, it's going to have a closer R going towards this way, because if, say, it was like 10 meters apart, it's going to be way down here, but it's going to be growing as it gets closer. So it doesn't actually ever get all the way up there, but you can't have an R bigger than that. So that is how you go about part D. So for part E, a spacecraft leaves Mars with an initial velocity that is below the escape speed for Mars. So if you look, here's your R and your R max, and you have your U down here. Here's your total energy. So you start off with a high kinetic energy and also a very small U, 1 over R, negative 1 over R, and it's going to grow as it gets closer. And it has this R max because it has to have the escape speed. So it has like a boundary right there. And that is how you go about part E. So that is all the components for number 3. I had problems with graphs, so I figured it was important to go back through this problem. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.